I'm going to get my voice surgery, so I sound like from the actual show.
The doctor is here.
Oh, you look like Elisha.
Yes, I am. Now let's get started.
Hi, I'm Scott. Fourth pitch.
Okay, now my work here is done. You all may go home now.
So Snuffy, Elmo, Zoe, and Gina. What do you all think of my new voice?
Wow, Bird, it sounds great.
Elmo agrees with Snuffy.
Me too.
Me three.
Okay, now let's go home now.